Land of my fathers, nation of song, Welsh blood through my veins, lead me back where I belong. Mountains and valleys, long sea-swept bays, memories of a childhood to once where we played. Hard working families, cold seams did flow, made up this landscape a long time ago. Poets tell the story of the Welsh rugby dream. Dragons, every one of them, putting pride in our team. Language of beauty, songs filled with pride, passion and glory of our Welsh rugby side. Moments set in time, a love of my past, memories of Wales, I wish they all last. Stand in Welsh forever, till the end of my days. Cymru Am Byth, that's where my heart will stay. So remember, being Welsh is a privilege and grace, putting pride in our lives of this proud rugby race.